Hello everyone, my name is Catalin and this is my brand new YouTube channel, The Coding Cave. Some quick information about myself. I am a high school student, I live in Romania, I am 17 years old and I have decided to create my own programming YouTube channel. So this channel will have two series, or I will start with two series and maybe if this channel grows I will move on to other series. The first one is going to be a series of tutorials on data science. I am going to go into more details when I'm actually uploading some content. I am also going to have another series about problem solving. Basically, my second series will consist of me solving problems on websites like Topcoder and CS Academy and then sharing my solution with you. So hopefully you will enjoy my content, and now I'm going to continue with a quick tour of my recently built website. The link will be in the description. So the purpose of this platform is to allow you, the viewer, to post articles related to computer science. I am also going to post my articles and my YouTube videos here. So if you want to watch my content from here, feel free to do so. Uh, Now I'm going to register a new user so you can see how this platform is supposed to be used. So let's make a user. Firstly, let's come up with a name. Let's say YouTube test. Email. I am going to use my own email address here. The username will be YouTube. The password will be YouTube. Let's see here, I might have mistyped YouTube and YouTube. Now we can log in, and here is the dashboard. So as you can see, you can click on post in the tribe members forum, then come up with a title, YouTube, and with some content. YouTube. Don't worry, I'm going to delete this article because it is just for example. So now, as you can see, the article is shown in the dashboard under the tribe members forum. You can modify it. You can come up with a new title, YouTube 2, and also with new content. Let's just bold and use italics and then submit. Now, let's say I want to promote someone to the rank of Hunter. I can totally do that. So I'm going to log into my account. I will change ranks. I will use the username YouTube and I will promote the user to the rank of Hunter. So, Hunter. Well, the rank is not really called Hunter in the web data files. It is called like this. This is a coded value for the rank of Hunter. Now, if I log in again, you can see that the user is now a hunter and is allowed to talk as a hunter or to post articles in the hunter gathering. So I will post another article, hunter, hunter, and some random text here. And now here is the article. You can watch it, you can go back. You can also go to the tribe members forum and access the content of the article. My own articles will be posted here in the Tribe Chiefs archive. Now I don't have any articles posted, but at the time of this video there will probably be a couple of them, or at least one, I promise. And now this is the Nexus, the main menu. I'm going to update this page too to make it more aesthetically pleasing. So this is my platform. The link will be in the description. Feel free to check it out. This was just an introductory video. I firstly want to apologize for my English. I am not a native English speaker, so my English speaking skills can be a bit confusing, but hopefully you can understand me. As I upload more videos, my English skills will probably improve. Practice makes perfect, so hopefully you will enjoy my content. See you soon, bye, and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos.